Give me 5 minutes and I'll give you 5 resume quick tips that you can implement to instantly improve your resume and get you the attention you deserve in your job search. Hey there, Resume Leslie here, and these tips come from over 6 years as a resume writer and reviewing literally thousands of resumes. I've seen the most common mistakes people make, and now I'm going to tell you 5 easy, quick fixes that you can implement to make sure that you're getting recruiter attention. All right, let's take a look at resume quick tip number 1. For your resume format, you want to make sure that you have a top to bottom approach to your resume. I see a lot of resumes that have either multiple columns going down with all of your information in it, or an enlarged side margin with some information and the rest of the body elsewhere. You want to make sure that all of your content kind of reads from top to bottom in your resume. That's the best way for online applicant tracking systems to scan your resume, and it's also the way that recruiters prefer to see your content. Resume formatting quick tip number 2 is to make sure that you don't have any important content in the header or footer section of your resume. As you can see here in this resume, we do actually have the contact information in the header, which is a common thing that I see, but actually if that happens, it's likely that the applicant tracking system won't be able to read your content at all, and it will think the resume doesn't have any contact information, and it will automatically reject it. So you want to make sure that instead of including the information in the header, you want to take it out of the header. And I'll show you exactly how to do that right here. Take it out of the header and insert it directly into the body of the resume. That way you can be sure that the applicant tracking system can read it and there's nothing that will be missed. Resume formatting quick tip number 3 is justified alignment. So as you look through this resume, you can see it here in the profile section. Each side has a very clean, crisp line where the text cuts. You can see it also as you get down into the job descriptions. There's a very clean line on either side. The way that you accomplish that is by using justified alignment. So let me show you exactly what I mean. The default alignment is a left alignment. So typically when you start to type, it will align the left side very evenly, but the right side might have a jagged edge just depending on the length of the line, how many characters, etc. Instead of using the left alignment or a centered alignment or a right alignment, you want to use a justified alignment, which means both the left and the right sides are going to have that clean, crisp look. Resume quick tip number 4 for your formatting is to make sure that you're using bullet points in your job descriptions. This is something that I'll see a lot that's missed by a lot of job seekers. They will often just include their entire job description in one big paragraph in your job descriptions. But if you utilize bullet points, it really helps to separate each idea and makes it a lot easier to read, especially for a busy recruiter. So make sure you're using bullet points to separate ideas in your job descriptions. And finally, resume formatting quick tip number 5 is to make sure that your dates are aligned on the right-hand side of the page. This may seem like something small, but it's actually very important because number 1, it's where the online applicant tracking systems are programmed to find your dates, but it's also where human recruiters prefer to find the dates as well. So you want to make sure that they are aligned nicely along the right-hand side and can be easily seen. To show you how to do that very easily, let me draw your attention here to this line. I am going to go ahead and just backspace so that it's not aligned right there and show you exactly how to do that. So if I come up to my right tab indicator here on the top left, you can actually click this and change it to different functions. But what you want to do is click through until you find the right tab alignment. Then you can bring it up to your ruler and drag it all the way over to the right-hand side. That will allow you to then place your cursor in front of your date and just hit the tab button, and it will automatically align with the right-hand side. Those are 5 easy quick tips that you can implement in your resume to instantly improve it and get you the attention you deserve in your job search. If you want more resume-related goodness, I've included a link in the description for you so you can download my powerful free 5-step resume action plan that will transform your resume into an interview-getting machine. Don't miss out on the action plan, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel so you can stay caught up on the latest in career success strategies, tips, and tutorials. Remember, you can do this, and I'm here to help.